Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, we're going to show you how to use the PEX pinch clamp removal tool. And I went ahead and put in a whole new system here, and I don't like how I put this. I actually want to have this come straight back against the wall and then jet over that way. So let's go ahead and use this tool. And this tool is good for a 3/8, ½ inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. And up here, that's what we have. We have a 1 inch. So let's go ahead and get that off of there. It does come with a spare. So these get worn down over time after taking off so many. But hopefully you don't have to take off so many. So you're simply going to take this end here and you're going to slide it through. You're going to slide it through just like that. So that's on there. And if you can't get this to fit on like that, they say to take your pinch tool and go ahead and clamp it back down, and you should be able to get it on there like this. And now all you're simply going to do is turn the tool either way to go ahead and break the clamp there. So we'll go ahead and turn this. Yep, there we go. Alright, so tool went flying, but you really got to give it pressure, especially with these bigger 1 inch ones. But now we're loose there. Now we can go ahead and take that off of there. Alright, so there we go. Now we can angle it to where we want it back against the wall here. A quick measurement. And let's not forget to take off our old ring here. And that's what it looks like. It just snaps that head right off of it. And we'll cut our new piece. There we go. Slip that on there. Get our 1 inch ring. New ring. There's one that we broke off. And actually, we can go ahead and crimp on our back elbow there, since there's more room to do it out here. We'll put that on and we'll crimp this down. sure to put our, not the broken one, our new one on here. There we go. Now we crimp that one on. Go. Now we can cut this to fit. Make sure to put our new ring on. There we go. That's better than having it cross out over here. And we could run a quick test, make sure there's no leaks. No leaks. Alright, so just to show you one more time, you can see how that has a thick open end on it. That's the part you're going to slide down right on here. And that way it doesn't come off the other side either. And all you do is simply twist. But so how easy that was. We had our pipe originally running across this way. Now we got it out of the way against the wall. Much better setup. Make sure to check out our video on installing this on-demand water heater and the PEX piping and doing bonded ground wire to your pipes. And that's what this is here. It's another bonded ground wire. Alright, very simple tool and easy to use, and especially if you do something like I did and you're not too happy with it, you want to change it up. Quick, simple, and easy. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to pick up one. Make sure to check out all of our other videos. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and as usual guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.